Umentri rangba ka jalau konrat ki sangma haringkat ka jingedon lang umentri ki tenat ki kam jungo kai perthei ka jalau ba pol lingdo but chairman ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation uba shan bor Shulai menta ka singi kila plia maunong rim jang ka Shillong Ropeway project ha Shillong Peak ka jingwan ra e ka ne ka project Shillong Ropeway ka de ka way na ki surak hau ka bala ban pen poi na shiliang ki nong le nong wan jungo kai perthei but ka de ru ka project ka baning kong e jang ka jala Meghalaya ka ben sa shnano ha ka jing Pynlut ka ba shong dor shispa nyo pusan Klur but ling ba jang ka ne ka Ropeway ki nong jungo kai perthei ki la ban yo i ka nong ba Shillong he bro ka way yaw ne mau nong rim jang ka project labu da ka president ka ri India ka drop padi murmu men hau banai ka lalang kot ka project jang ki kam jungo kai perthei ka ba he tam ka bala sedang da ka Sorkar Jylla bat kan kring ru ya shibun ki nong lek nong wan jungo kai perthei bat ki nong snong ka long ru kum ka jing ya lenti lingsun ka bi itanan ka ba penya sno na Shillong Peak shalau so tun umentri rang ba ka Jylla ul IT ru ya ka ba ar sakarat laban dor bar pelun ka shong dor iway punsan Klur na kabenta ka project.
Was marked by the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, during her visit to Meghalaya, where the first installment was graciously handed over, and the foundation stone also has been unveiled. However, this is another moment at which we celebrate this significant milestone.
People to greater heights. This project today of this ropeway is just the beginning. Just last night, after many programs we had all day and all afternoon, we had a very constructive meeting along with the technical partners that are helping us in this project of how we could expand this tourism ropeway and further go into making the ropeway as a model or a mode of urban transportation. So can you imagine having a cable car for public transportation, say from a location like Laimukra Dankiti, going into Barek and going into PB. So therefore you'll be having continuous cabins that will carry people along this line, and obviously we will see the reduction in traffic in that sense. Further, we can imagine if that line goes into Polo, and then further it goes on to other side towards Maulai and to Barabazar, and even from our terminal here in Laban to connect to this urban ropeway. Of course, a very big dream, a very big thought, but as I said, we are here to dream big, we are here to do big things. And therefore we will start, we may have to start small, but it will be one step at a time because we want to be realistic in the way we move forward. But this is one project that is really something that we want to do. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but we are really desiring to push this forward. Let us hope and see how this particular project moves forward, and then we will work towards seeing how we could make this also a part of urban transport. We feel that it could be one of the best ways for us to give an alternative transport mode to our people. Not an easy project, very complicated, very difficult, and of course expensive, but it will be a game changer in terms of the overall traffic scenario in our city.